Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn to diagnose certain issues in Yezdi Adventure with the help of fuses. There are 9 fuses in Yezdi Adventure. This is a fuse blocker and 9th fuse is for accessories. We push that and pull the fuse back while pressing it back. The main issue is unable to turn the ignition on. This fuse number 8 and fuse number 6 and fuse number 2 are responsible for the ignition on. So I removed the fuse number 8 and 2. You can look here in the video. I am unable to turn the ignition on. So I have put the fuse number 8 and I removed the fuse number 2 rated 30 amperes and fuse number 8 is rated 5 amperes. So when I put the fuse number 2 30 amperes and fuse number 5, so here I am able to switch the ignition on. And one more fuse that is linked to ECU is fuse number 6. So here when I remove the fuse number 6 rated 10 amperes, here also I am unable to turn the ignition on. So when you are unable to turn the ignition on, we have to check the fuse number 2, 6 and 8. So here it is, fuse number 2 30 amperes rated, fuse number 6 10 ampere rated and fuse number 8 5 ampere rated. So now we will check the fuse number 3 20 ampere rated. So it is linked to the ABS unit. HECU means hydraulic electronic control unit. Here you see the ABS indicator. Normally it should blink, but here ABS mode is blinking. So it is some abnormal condition. We will right away have to check the fuse rated 20 amperes, yellow fuse, the third fuse here. So when I put the fuse back in, as it is in working condition, so the ABS light should blink and ABS mode should switch off in normal position. Now I will go to the fuse number 4 rated 15 amperes, which is responsible for the current control in lighting, headlight, tail light, indicators and horn too. When I switch the ignition on, here check I am unable to switch the headlight on or horn, even the tail light indicators too. So fuse number 4 15 amperes, so responsible for lights, horn, indicators too. So you can check the headlight here, that is a low beam one, and tail light too. And now we will go to the fuse number 5 rated 10 amperes, which is responsible for the electronic fuel injection. When I remove this, you won't be able to hear the priming sound of fuel pump. So when I put it back, fuse number 5 rated 10 amperes, you will be able to hear the fuel pump priming. Okay, next 6 is completed, that is related to ECU, and the 7th fuse is related to the brake light and accessory relay. So when I remove the 7th fuse and press the rear brake, brake light is not switched on, and when I put the 7th fuse rated 10 amperes and press the rear brake or front brake, brake light is working. So when your brake light is not working, check the fuse number 7. So fuse number 8 is related to ECU, 9th fuse is related to accessories, and fuse number 1 is for charging rated 30 amperes and fuse number 9 is rated 5 amperes. Here in the video I am unable to show, there are 9 fuses completely. If you happen to glow the engine light on, it will go while riding if it is caused by some glitches while we are doing it. So here are the complete picture of the fuses and their uses and their purposes too. Have a go, have a look, and take a screenshot if necessary, or remember that these are present in our video. It might be useful. So carry some spare fuses and a wrench number 10 in the bike if you don't carry a toolkit. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for further more informative videos about Yezdi Adventure. Thank you.